Welcome back to Mass Appeal. If you're looking for legal assistance but you can't afford it, Community Legal Aid can help. Hisham, Leil, and Mariel work with Community Legal Aid, and today they're here to tell us about not one but two very important programs. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us, Seth.
Mariel, thank you so much. So before we get started, let's do a quick overview of Community Legal Aid. What services do you provide? Well,
we serve people throughout central and western Massachusetts, so all the way from Worcester down to Springfield and all the way out to Pittsfield. So we help with family law matters, housing, immigration, elder work, and recently we added an area where we help in foreclosure prevention.
Oh, wow. And today you're here to talk to us about two very important topics. So the first is deferred action for childhood arrivals. Tell us what that is.
That's right. Well, you know, you could tell from our name, Community Legal Aid, that our mission is to help those in the community. Mm-hmm. So these two events are two community collaborations that we have coming up. And the first one that we're talking about is the deferred action for childhood arrivals. So there's a few requirements for folks to qualify for that.
Yeah, so I'll just go through those requirements really quickly.
Absolutely.
Those requirements are that you must be under 31 as of June 15th, 2012. You must have come to the U.S. before you were 16 years old. You must have lived in the U.S. Since June 15th, 2007. You must have been actually in the U.S. on June 15th, 2012. And you must not have had any immigration legal status on June 15th, 2012. And you must either be in school, graduated from high school, have gotten your GED, or have gotten honorably discharged from the U.S. Coast Guard or the U.S. Armed Forces. And you must have had no significant crimes.
And if this is kind of a tricky situation for people, if they don't really understand if they qualify, you have an informational session coming up.
Right,
to help
exactly.
out with that too.
This coming Friday, the 26th, from 10 in the morning to 11:30 at the Bishop Marshall Center, mm-hmm. Right on State Street in Springfield, we have an informational workshop. And so that's free for folks. There's no charge. And we'd like both people who think they might be eligible for the Deferred Action Program, as well as those who are interested in volunteering with us to help those who can benefit from this program.
And moving on, we have a second program and initiative that you folks are working on, and it's helping out the community so much. It's Justice for Our Neighbors. Tell us a little bit about that.
That's another immigration-related program that we just started. It's a collaboration with Trinity United Methodist Church here in Springfield again. And so that's for new, for us to welcome new members of the community, new immigrants. They can get access to services like health services, educational services, in addition to legal assistance with their immigration matters.
Well, Hisham, Mariel, I want to thank you so much for stopping by today. The work that you do in our community is tremendous, and we appreciate having you here today.
Thanks for having us.